In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a leave request, how to ask for time off. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Leave. You should arrive at a page that looks like this. As you can see, I've made 2 leave requests. The first one was granted, so that's what it looks like when it's approved, and the second one was denied, and that's what that looks like. To add a new leave request, go to the Add button above your leave chart. You should get a leave pop-up window. If your company requires it, you will see a leave type at the top, and you'll have to select from that drop-down menu. Click on the arrow and select the reason you're requesting your leave. I'm going to scroll down to vacation, and now I can choose the dates I will be asking off. So click on the little calendar button and scroll forward to whenever you want to ask off. Let's say I want off the week before my kids go back to school. Next to the dates, it will automatically calculate the number of days you're requesting off, and below the dates you will see times. If you're requesting to have the whole day off, leave that blank. If you're asking for partial days off, then you will select the times that you would like off. TeamWork 5 will automatically calculate how many hours you're requesting. If you want to see the day-by-day breakdown, click on Details. And now you can see how many hours I'm requesting off for each of those days. Then you can leave a comment saying why you're requesting off. Maybe I'll say vacation before school starts. If I don't want this to go to my manager, I'll hit close. If I do, I will click save. Now you can see the new leave request at the bottom of the chart. Right now it is marked as yellow requested. That means my manager has not looked at it and hasn't made a decision on it yet. To learn how to adjust a leave request, check out the next video.